Hey, so this is a quick introduction of how to use custom maps free app on the Play Store. And what we're going to do today is do Union Station here in Denver. Basically going to pull a dumb JPEG and do some tie points to show you how you can use this on TAC. So here we're looking at, basically I'm picking a tie point as we go through the interface on custom maps. It's real simple and basic, maybe something they get in TAC eventually, but here we are looking on Google Earth. We're going to match up the tie point I picked there at the corner of the image of Union Station. What you're going to see me now is rotate it correctly to place it on the map as the first tie point. So there we're going, trying to get it as lined up and scaled properly, and looks pretty good. So we're going to pick another tie point. The best thing to do on these kind of dumb images is pick things of known intersections or corners. Usually need 2 to 3 tie points to make it nice and clean. So now we're picking kind of the northeast side of Union Station here in Denver. And we're going to find that street there, line it up, and place it where it needs to go. See that here in just a second. And I'm happy with that. Do a quick preview. Now I can see how the overlay looks of the map. Looks pretty good. So we're going to export it to ourselves, email it to ourselves, and put that on our TAC device. It'll basically be a KMZ that goes in the GOG folder. So as I click on it, I'm going to share the map. You'll see here, in this case, I'm just going to email it to myself, but you can do this locally on your phone. It'll be saved in the custom maps folder, and you can just move it within the file manager over to ATAC. So put in ATAC. Typing issues there, put an ATAC GRG folder, and you're going to have a nice overlay you can toggle on, toggle off. So here we are. Got the email, and I downloaded it. I'm going to my file manager. I'm going to find it here, and I'm going to move it to the ATAC GRG folder. So you see, scroll down, ATAC, GRG, done. It's in there. Alright, let's crank up ATAC, see what happens. So as we launch ATAC, it's loading up. Should snap here to Denver. And what you're going to see is basically there's the overlay with any type of the mobile imagery you have in the background. So whether that's NGA, Digital Globe, Google, etc. And toggle on, toggle off. Anyway, quick overview of what custom maps apps can help you on the fly for a quick overlay, street map, anything like that. Thanks.